I'm very excited today because I found out a new method that I'm going to show you today to make money online. This method is very simple. So today I'm going to reveal to you this method so you can start using it to earn money online. Most people haven't know how this method works, and that also this platform that you're going to use in combination to make money online do exist. So this is what I'm going to be revealing to you today, and I'm going to show you towards the end of this video also how you're going to set it up on autopilot and earn $18 in 60 seconds, and this is for free. So before I show you this method, all I just need from you is to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new here, do yourself this favor and subscribe to this channel, because I do create videos like this that show people how to make money online no matter where you are in the world. Also turn on the notification bell button so each time when I create new videos like this, you will get notified, and in this case you'll be the first person to know these strategies and to start using it to earn money online before it gets saturated. So with that being said, let's move on into today's video. So this platform I'm going to show you is called ibota.com. I don't know, it might be ibota or ibota. I just found this website yesterday and it's a cashback website. As you can see, if you download the ibota app or browser extension today, you get $20 for free. So this is a cashback app. Don't focus on the cashback because this is not how we're going to be using it to earn $18 per 60 seconds online. But let's just go through our platform. So here you can see how it works. You download the Ibota or the free browser extension on your computer, then you find offers, and after that you get real cashback. Okay, this is how it works. As you can see, this platform is working with huge company like GameStop, like Expedia, like Walmart. So when you go to all the shop, you can also make savings, okay, with cashback, and which is a very good way to earn money online wherever you are. So this is the sign up bonus. Okay, you sign up and get up to $20 in free school supply. To get this $20, all you need to sign up. But in a second, so I'm going to show you how we're going to sign up in this platform. But there's one thing I love about this platform most, because they are so cool, and you can see they wrote here, we've got your back. In other words, this means we've got your cash back. All you just need to do shopping and you get saving, and in this way you get a cash back using this platform. You just need to download this app on your phone or on your laptop. So because you do go everywhere with your phone, I would advise you to download this on your phone. You might even download it also on your computer, but when you download it on your phone, you carry it everywhere and you can use it in anywhere you go, in any shop you go, to do shopping and get cash back with that. But don't worry, once again, this is not the way we're going to be earning money with this platform. I'm going to show you there's another way we can make money with this platform, and this is going to be working worldwide. So as you can see, Ibota servers are raking in the cash over $1 billion. These are cash back paid out to servers up to date, and you can see they have different type of testimonials here. They have testimonials from people worldwide using Ibota to earn money as a cashback. So there are different type of people here that also give their reviews about this app. So like I said, this is not how we're going to be earning money on Ibota, but if you want to use it, you just need to go to sign up and sign up for Ibota. You can also download the extension by clicking this button here. You download the extension on your computer. Once again, this is not the way we're going to be using this platform to earn money. We're not going to use any cash back. So now we just want to start using this platform to earn money online. What we just want to do is that I want to go down to the bottom and go look for where the right work with us. So here we can partner with Ibota, say affiliate partner. So don't just rush into this, just wait to the end of this video, because I'm going to be showing you exactly how you're going to set this also on autopilot and earn money for you. So now let's just click on the affiliate. So when you click on the affiliate, it's going to bring you to this next page here. As you can see, you can earn extra cash as an Ibota affiliate partner if you have a website or a blog or a media platform. But it doesn't mean even if you don't have a website, you can use this method I'm going to be showing you today in this tutorial to earn money online. To become an affiliate, you just want to click on become an affiliate. But before we do that, you can see here people have earned real cash on this platform. Over $500 million Ibota has already paid to his affiliate partners. So you want to start now and join this affiliate partner so you can start making money with this platform. So now to do that, you just want to click on become an affiliate. So by clicking on become an affiliate, it's going to send you to this next platform. Basically, you can earn $2 for people who register to this platform through your affiliate links. Okay, all they just need to do, they don't need to buy anything. Everybody wants to have a cashback app like this because it will help them to save money and it will help them to get money back from what they're buying everywhere. Okay, like when they go to Walmart and they bought something, they can get a cashback from me and so on. So you can see people who sign up with your referral link we get $2 just for registering. Okay, and they have to, this referral has to stay for a period of 1 day. That is, this referral have to have this app downloaded and signed up for 24 hours, and you are going to get $2 for that. So if you get 100 referral to sign up for Ibota, that is $200, and if you get 1,000 referral to sign up for Ibota, that is $2,000. All right, guys, and it is unlimited. You can refer so many people how you want, and which I'm going to be showing you in the next minute or in 2 minutes, how you're going to be sending people on Autopilot to your link, and they are going to be signing up, and when they sign up, you get paid for that. This is a very easy way to make money online. All right, guys, so as you can see, even when they download an extension, you get $2. If they download the extension to their laptop or to their computer through your link without not registering, you will still get $2, but they have to be referred for 30 days. So this is another way. If people download Ibota to their Android app through your link, you will get $2 even without not signing up. They just have to keep the referral period for 1 day, and you can earn money on Ibota. So this is a very easy way, once again, to earn money online. So now I'm going to show you exactly where we're going to be getting the traffic for, because online business is traffic. Traffic means money. So when you don't get traffic to your referral link, it means that you are not going to make any money with that. So now the traffic method that we're going to be using is called Trendery. If you like, you can use a social media. You don't need any followers to do this. So you can use your Instagram, your Facebook account. You can also use your Pinterest or your YouTube video, which I'm going to be mentioning in the next minute, how you can get traffic to your referral link through YouTube. So first of all, this is Trendery. Trendery is a making money online forums that you can find people who are looking for ways to earn money online. As you can see, make money online here, and it's already got 1.5 million views. So this is a very potential way to get people who are ready, are wanting to make money online. All you just need to do is to sign up with Trendery.com. To sign up, go up here and click on the register, and you can fill the application and sign up. But first of all, let's just go back to Ibota. To become an affiliate with Ibota, you just need to go and fill the application to become an affiliate partner. You need to fill your first name, your last name, you fill your valid email address, because this is very important. They're going to be sending you mails to your email and confirmation to your email. So this is why it's very important you give them a valid email address and a username, and then you create a password. And after that, if you don't have a company here, you can just write your name, sign up as an individual. And after that, if you don't have a website, it's not a big deal. You can also write the website of the traffic source that we're going to be using in today's video. And the next is that you can choose your country, the country you come from. As you can see, there are so many countries here that you can choose. And even if you don't want, you can also download a VPN on your computer, like Proton VPN. You just go to Google and find a VPN that you can download on your computer, and you can set it to United States, okay guys, or any top countries out there. And after that, you're ready to use this platform. So now let's just go to the traffic method that we're going to be using, which is trendery.com. Like I said, you can use other make money forum out there. You can also use a social media out there. In my case, I mean, I will advise you to use any type of traffic source that you know that is free traffic source. So for example, you can use a social media, you can use your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest, and so on. Okay. So now, as you can see, we want to use make money online. For make money alone, you can see there are so many posts here. To start using this make money post, all you just need to do is sign up, and then you can leave a post like this and insert your referral link here. And then you have the potential that over 1.5 million people will see this, and when they see this, when they click it and just download it on their Android phone or download an extension on their laptop or even sign up, you're going to earn money for every referral that sign up or even download the extension on their laptops or on their smartphone. So this is how you can earn money with Ibota. If you can also make a video review about Ibota and how they work, okay, make a video review on YouTube, and after that you insert your affiliate link in the video description. When anybody click on that link, you're going to get paid for it. Though I don't have any affiliate link for Ibota in this video description, I don't have any sponsor from them. I'm just showing you this another method to make money online, because this is what my channel is for. I just want to help you make money online. This is why I'm showing you this video, guys. So you can also do that. You can also make a review about this video. Go ahead and put your affiliate link in the description, so people who watched your video, they're interested in Ibota, using Ibota to earn money. You can earn money when they click on your link and sign up or download the app into their computer or on their laptop. So this is how you can earn money on Ibota. I hope you do get much value on this video, and if so, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know which area you live in, so I can make more videos that work very well in your areas. I mean, so you can earn money online. So comment below which area you live in, and with that being said, thank you for watching this video, guys, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Do yourself this favor, turn on the notification bell button, so each time when I create new videos like this, you will get notified. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I will see you in my next video.